Y'all ready? Sonia, where are we located?
Weber City.
We're in Weber City, Virginia. You ready to go right? Sonia Hensley's in the front seat with me. We're just out riding around. Oh, you can't go across down there again. We're out riding around. We're going to leave Weber City and we're going to go to Gate City, Virginia. I guess I do a drive through with Weber City and then we'll do a drive through a Gate City, won't we, son? So I'm going to take a right and I go down and make a U-turn. This is Weber City, Virginia. Speed limit's 45 down through here. It's raining. Been raining, what, Sonia? It's been raining since I think last night had. And it rained yesterday off and on, didn't it? I think. Didn't it?
Yep.
This is Weber City. Don't blink, you'll miss it. I think Gate City is a lot prettier. What do you think, son? It is to me. But I do like both of them. I better turn around here, hadn't I? Yep. This is Weber City, my friends. I'm making the U-turn, and we're going to head to Gate City. Hang on, buckle up. Try not to talk too much. It's your boy, the Big O, driving. See this sign right here in front of me? Welcome to Virginia. Weber City. If you see this sign right here to the right, it says Gate City 5 miles, Big Stone Gap, Virginia 35. We're in Scott County. Oh yeah. Riley Mae's back there laying down the law, ain't she, son?
Mm-hmm.
She's like, Daddy, keep your eyes on the road. Raindrops are falling on my head.
Excuse me.
Better slow down. Thing gaining speeds on it. Running 50, ain't even getting it gas. There goes one with no headlights with it raining. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day, because you know I am. I was hoping the rain would quit, but in place of it quitting, it's speeding up. Weber City is what, Sonia? What, about a mile, 2 miles long? Mm-hmm. I'd say 2.5 miles long. I like it, but I like Gate City better. Look at the condensation rising over those mountains. Weber City might be about 3.5 miles long, might be. We're still in Weber City, ain't we? We ain't no, we're not in Gate City, we're still in Weber, ain't we? We got, what, another mile before we get to Gate City, 3/4 of a mile, somewhere in there. I think about a mile. Yep, we're in Weber, still in Weber. I'll say it's 3.5 miles long, wouldn't you? I'm just gonna let the video roll. A lot of condensation rising between those hardwood trees in the mountains in front of us. It's a cold, wet rain. It's been cold the last 2 days, hasn't it? Really cold. I don't know. I'd say it's really, actually, I guess, the normal temperature for this time of year, ain't it?
Yeah.
We get cold right here in the Appalachian region, in East Tennessee and Southwest Virginia. Scott County, Weber City. All right, we're going to be in Gate City here in a little bit, people. You can get it for $1.89 at Food City right here in front of us. When we was at Food City, Sonia, what, about 2 weeks ago, some guy walked up to me and said, Big O, he said, I know you from YouTube. I watch your videos, didn't he?
Sure
you remember
did.
that? And then I come up here last weekend, and this guy walked up to me in a big parking lot in Gate City, said, Big O, I know you from YouTube. I watch your videos. He was a lawyer, wasn't he, Sonia?
Yep.
So right here together in Weber City and Gate City, Virginia, I've got people who watch my YouTube channel. He said him and the lawyer in Gate City said him and his wife like my Aunt Jemima pancake videos.
Mm-hmm.
That used to be Wendy's, didn't it? I don't know why they went out of business. Seemed like they did pretty good business, didn't it? Gate City's about a mile. I'd say a mile, wouldn't you, Sonia, on the right?
Mm-hmm.
I came up here one time and bought a computer from the police officer, didn't I, Sonia?
Yep.
2 times, didn't I?
Twice.
Came out here twice, bought 2 different, this police officer in Gate City, he runs a computer business at home. He rebuilds computers. I bought 2 computers from him, didn't I, Sonia? 2
Yep.
desktops. They were good computers. I sold them. I kept them for a while and then sold them.